Hey guys, Brian Quick here with eXp Realty. I just first want to say thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. So I'm going to get right to the point. I'm not a credit card specialist. I'm not a credit repair specialist. But what I do every day is deal with people, their lenders, and their credit. So I have some tips for you if you're looking to buy a house and you are looking to fix your credit within the next 6 months. Okay, fixing your credit is not something that is a sprint. It is a marathon, okay? But I'm going to give you guys some tips on what you need to do right now if you're wanting to buy a house this fall. One, make sure that you are currently up to date with all your bills. Guys, your payment history reflects 35% of your credit score. So make sure that you're paying all your bills on time, your home, your car, your insurance, your credit cards, all the things that you have. Make sure that you are paying all of these things on time. You do not want a late payment charge on them because it really can affect your credit score, and sometimes lenders won't even work with you if you have too many late payments. Number two, if you already have decent credit but you're wanting to make it a little bit more, ask your credit cards for a credit raise and then use less of your funds. You want to stick between 30% or less on your credit card balance. So if you have a $3,000 balance on your credit card, you want to stay at $900 or less on that card, okay? You don't want to get over that 30%. Your credit card balance actually affects your credit score by 30%. So how much your credit limit is and how much you're using will affect that. Now, but refrain from opening up new cards. You do not want to open up more cards or go buy a car or something, especially if you're wanting to buy a house in the next 6 months. It's going to affect your credit, and it's also going to affect your debt to income ratio. So make sure that you're not opening up new cards. If you already have a card, ask for an increase. But don't use more just because you've got that increase, okay? Keep all of your accounts that are existing open. Don't go in and close accounts. It actually does the opposite. You see, this will affect about 10% of your credit score. So make sure that don't go out and close accounts. Don't do that. It hurts your credit. Just, if you don't want to use it, pay it off in full and just leave it open. Do not actually go and close it, okay? Now, go look at your credit report, guys. Here's another thing, and see if there are any errors. Now, a dispute on your account may actually hurt your credit a little bit, okay? But make sure that if you truly do see an error on your credit report, that you're going to actually get that taken care of, okay? And then also use a credit repair building tool, Credit Karma or Experian.com. Now, keep in mind that these are not accurate, 100% accurate. If you are going to get a loan or apply for a loan with a lender, your credit is probably going to reflect a little differently than Credit Karma. Okay, mine actually was about 25 points different than Credit Karma. Credit Karma was 25 points higher than what the lender actually said mine was. So keep that in mind. And then lastly, guys, be patient. Be patient whenever you're building credit. It takes time. Sometimes it just takes your credit time to season. Okay, some things just need to sit for a little longer for it to help your credit. So if you're starting now, in 6 months, your credit score, if you can apply all these, this should be able to help your credit score boost up for you to be able to get a home in 6 months. I hope this was valuable for you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. It'd mean a lot for me. You guys have a great rest of your week and weekend. I'll see you next week. Bye.